Hey guys, in writing today, we're going to work on just making our first paragraph over the first reason your type of energy was important to you and why you think it's the most important type of energy. So I am just going to write today about how electricity is important because it helps me cook and prepare food for my family. All right, so I'm going to model writing that first paragraph in this video for you, and then you're going to write your first paragraph and you're going to attach a picture of it for me to see. All right, so I'm going to move some of my journals here, and I'm doing this just on notebook paper. I'm not doing it in my writing journal. You can do it in either. Now I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to go down here and start it so that I have room to do a rough draft later of my introduction, because I'm going to come back and do that one later. Okay, so I'm going to come right here for my second paragraph. Okay, now I need to make sure I state something about my main idea, and this is my first reason, so I'm going to start with that. Remember, we're going to indent, so I'm going to say the first reason electricity is, and remember we're skipping lines, the most important type of energy is because, comma, it helps me cook and prepare food for my family. Okay, so that's my main idea that this whole paragraph is going to be about. This is my first reason. So some of my details that I want to include is that it makes it faster because I don't have to build a fire. All right, so maybe I'll write that first. Electricity makes cooking faster. Since I never built a fire, since I don't have to build a fire to cook, comma, I am able to cook more quickly. All right. Okay. I need another piece of paper. Let's see. Refrigerator. Oh my gosh, that is not how you spell refrigerator. Whew, friends, I need help on spelling today. It's okay, I'll go look that up later. I'm going to keep moving. My refrigerator also runs on electricity. It allows me to store food to cook later, so I save time, not always going to the store. Okay, what was my last detail? Let's see. Ooh, okay. Electric devices like my microwave and, ooh, I do not want to put the symbol for and Instapot give me more options in different ways to cook. Period. Okay, so that's my first paragraph, and it looks like a lot, but it's really not. It's just because I spread it out so much by skipping lines. So I'm going to reread it and make sure it sounds okay. The first reason electricity is the most important type of energy the first reason electricity is the most important type of energy is, I don't need the because, is it helps me cook and prepare food for my family. Electricity makes cooking faster. Since I don't have to build a fire to cook, I'm able to cook more quickly. My refrigerator also runs on electricity. It allows me to store food to cook later, so I have time. So I save time not always going to the store. Electric devices like my microwave and Instapot give me more options in different ways to cook. All right, great first paragraph. I have my main idea sentence, and I have my 3 supporting details. So that's what I'm going to be looking for when you attach a picture. So I want you to see what mine looks like right now. This is the picture I want to see when you send it to me. It needs to be up close so that I can read your sentences. Then maybe I can respond and give you help on some ideas maybe you can add or take away. But if I can't see your writing, then I can't help you on that, okay? Some of y'all's pictures, when you take them, you need to look at them. Could you read it? If I were to send that to you, ask yourself that as you're taking your pictures. Some of them, the light's glaring on them, so I can't read it very well. Make sure it's a good picture when you send it to me, okay?